give you a list of ideas of things, jobs, gigs, little different ways in which you can make money while you travel. Let's start with a very random thing that I did to make money. I started offering my service of writing 3 Instagram comments on people's Instagram accounts and people's posts, and I actually made $100 doing that. I was charging $5 per 3 Instagram comments. If you're good at writing, you can write blog posts, articles for newspapers, for people, for companies, for websites. If you speak another language, you can try and sell your translation services. You can sell products, not only physical products, but also digital products. Like, for example, I have an ebook on Amazon, and I also have another kind of digital product, which is a spreadsheet that I sell directly on my website. If you are good at photography, you can go on stock photography websites and sell your photos, and you could get a little pocket change for that. But you can also sell your photography to small businesses, hotels, and different places, local places in the area where you are traveling to. Just to give you a few examples, this girl right here is a graphic designer, so she does all of that online, and that guy over there with the tattoos, he sells physical products on his website. Another type of job I've had in my 3 years as a digital nomad is in recruiting. I find people online, and then I interview them via video calls, and if they get hired, I get a commission fee. Whatever it is that you are good at, whatever your expertise might be, you could be offering coaching or consulting sessions via video calls. If you're a cook, you could be selling recipes. If you are a personal trainer, you could be selling videos. You just have to find ways to market yourself. One time I got paid to write Instagram captions for a big fast food company. And then from there, I started getting a few other clients, and I was doing the same. Here's 2 more examples for you. He works in tech online, and she works in business development. Are you in the business of real estate? Well, property management can most definitely be done online. I have a friend who is a travel agent and sells itineraries for her clients, and also makes city guides of each of the places she visits and then sells them online. I have friends that were so good at selling all their products via Amazon that they set up an Amazon consulting business. If you are a nutritionist, you can sell your nutrition guides, or you can have group programs for all your clients to offer support. People pay for support. And this is something I've never done, but a lot of people do it. People teach languages online. Are you good at accounting, of organizing, scheduling? All of those things are things that very busy people look for in someone that can be their virtual assistant. And how can you get these jobs? Well, if you have a really strong online presence, you can start really branding yourself and marketing yourself and positioning yourself as an expert so that people know that you can offer those services online, or you can reach out to your actual people that you know in person to tell them that you can do that for them and you don't even need an office. Think of the skills that you have. Then think of people that could use your skills and find them on private Facebook groups where you could be like, hey, this is a service I offer. And that is how I found my book editor, who I hired from a Facebook comment. I was like, hey, I'll hire you. The very first client that paid me to make a vlog for them found me on YouTube and then contacted me on LinkedIn. So if you are a content creator and you are not putting yourself out there, you are doing yourself a disservice, because how the hell are people gonna find you? But people aren't always going to magically find you. Sometimes you have to look for them. So you are going to make a list of potential clients that you know would benefit from your services, and you are going to tell them exactly what you can offer them that would benefit them in such a special way that they are not going to be able to say no to what you have to offer. Here's an idea for you. Find someone online that you admire and offer them some sort of service that you know they'll need help with. For example, how did I find the person that makes the songs for my little vlogs? They reach out to me on Instagram DM. And think of all the things older people ask you to do for them online. Well, you can start charging for them. One time I had someone pay me to open their Instagram and Facebook accounts. No kidding. The cool thing is that you can do one of these projects or multiple ones and then have multiple sources of income. So there you have it. Being a digital nomad or working online is not only research for the influencers, the Instagrammers, or the bloggers. You can do it too with a little bit of creativity. And if you need a few ideas, I offer services of consulting so that we can make it work for you too. This Overdose in Travel was from Peru. Next one, who knows?